Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a presentation using the Google Docs platform. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate a PowerPoint-like presentation by utilizing the features available in Google Docs. We will walk you through the entire process, starting from launching your browser to uploading any slides of your choice. Follow these instructions carefully for a seamless experience. Begin by opening your preferred browser. It is important to have a reliable and updated browser to ensure that all of the features of Google Docs are accessible. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Google Docs website. This platform houses powerful tools that allow you to create documents, presentations, and much more within a single interface. After arriving at Google Docs, locate the menu within the interface. The menu houses various options, and within it you will find the choice that says Google Slide. Selecting this option will transition you from a standard document to a slide format that is optimized for creating presentations similar to PowerPoint. This is an important switch because it activates features that are tailored for slide creation, including layout options, design tools, and the ability to arrange your content in an engaging way. Once you have switched to Google Slide mode, direct your attention to the top of the screen and look for the File menu. Clicking on the File menu opens up a series of options that allow you to manage your presentation. One of the key features within this section is the capability to import slides. When working on presentations, the ability to import slides can be extremely useful, especially when combining content from multiple sources or designing collaborative projects. After clicking on File, locate and select the option that reads Import Slide. This function is designed to bring in slides from existing presentations or other sources, which can be a tremendous time saver when you are looking to build upon pre-existing designs or content. Once you select the import function, a new dialog box or interface will appear on your screen. This is where you have the opportunity to confirm which slides you wish to add into your current presentation. In this next step, take some time to carefully review the slides that are available for import. Checking and selecting the slides that are most relevant to your presentation is crucial. This ensures that your final output contains only the slides that are necessary for conveying your message effectively. Look over each slide as it is displayed and identify those that match your content's tone, style, and structure. Once you have made your selections, the final step is to confirm your choices by clicking on the Upload button. Doing so triggers the incorporation of the chosen slides into your current project, seamlessly merging them with any other content you may already have within your presentation. The upload process brings together all your selected slides and places them in the order that you prefer, ready for any further editing or design adjustments you might need. This guide has provided you with detailed instructions on how to transition from a regular document interface in Google Docs to a fully functional slide-based presentation. Enjoy the process of customizing your presentation and take advantage of the flexibility that Google Docs offers in the realm of slide creation.